How to start a split screen or dual video recording on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. From here, tap on Video tab at the bottom, then tap on the control button. Now swipe across and tap on Dual Recording button. From here, you have two options. You can use a split screen. So the split screen will allow you to split the screen to half, the top part and the bottom part. And you can also reverse by tapping on the reverse button. So you can reverse the camera to the front or the back or the rear camera. So tap on the reverse button will reverse your camera. Okay, the other option is to choose dual recording. So this is dual recording here. Again, you can reverse your camera by tapping on the flip button here. You can also swipe up or swipe down to flip your camera. And this is dual recording. You can move them around the screen. You can make this dual recording windows smaller or larger. You can also close it or you can open it again. Okay, or you can make it bigger. And from there, you can start recording. During the recording, you still can make changes to your dual recording window, or you can collapse it or open again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.